In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Slack account active. Staying engaged and visible on Slack is crucial for maintaining smooth communication with your team and staying on top of important updates. So, let's dive into the steps that will ensure your Slack account remains active and visible to everyone in your workspace. First, let's start by heading over to Slack. You can do this by opening a web browser on your computer and entering slack.com in the address bar. Alternatively, if you've already downloaded the Slack desktop app, go ahead and open it up. Once you're there, you'll land on the login page where you'll need to sign in to your account. Next, go ahead and click on Enter your email. If you prefer using a single sign-on method, Slack provides the convenient options of signing in via Google or Apple. Just click on the corresponding button, follow the prompts, and make sure you're signed in with the account that corresponds to your Slack profile. Once you're signed in, you'll be prompted to select your preferred workspace, particularly if you're part of multiple organizations or teams on Slack. Just select the workspace you're actively involved in to ensure you're receiving the pertinent messages and notifications. Remember, staying active in the correct workspace is key to maintaining your availability status. Now that you're in your preferred workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your Slack interface. Here, you should see a small circle with your photo, or perhaps your initials if you haven't set a photo. Click on this icon to trigger a drop-down menu. It's within this menu that we can verify your online status. Ensure your status appears as active. Slack often updates your status based on your current activity. However, it's always a good idea to check and set it manually if needed. To see whether you appear active to your contacts, look next to your name in the drop-down. If it says active, you're all set. To keep your Slack account continually marked as active, make sure that Slack is running on at least one of your devices. This ongoing connection helps to automatically refresh your status whenever you're interacting within the app. Remarkably, Slack understands your patterns of activity and will adjust your status back to active if it notices that you've come back after a period of inactivity. Thanks for watching. And with these simple steps, your Slack account will remain active, ensuring you're consistently present and reachable online. This setup helps enhance collaboration and keeps you integrated with your team. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.